Today we are going to discuss a cube based resistors combination by very simple trick. Let us see that. Cube. This is the three-dimensional. Now we can draw it. Here. All sides of resistance, all sides have a resistance R. That is, all sides of resistance is same. Now here at this point, at this junction A, at this end, and at this end B. The question is, what is the resultant or equivalent resistance between A and B? This asking that. Yeah. Now we can see that here A and here B. Then the joined, that means the battery will be connected to A and B. Is a plus and is a minus. Like this, A and B. It is in between. That means it is the plus and it is the minus. The current will flow like this. Current is entering. Current is entering. Here that is we consider as I. I current is entering. Here. Now in this cube, we have denote the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. You can give any order. That means current is enter into the first corner. Current is leave from the second corner. It is the I current will come here. The into the cube, out of the cube. This. Now here we can observe here clearly. Here from here the current. Here I is divided equally. That means these are the symmetrical. Symmetrical means current is divided symmetrically. This is the I by 3. This is the I by 3. This is the I by 3. Okay, clear? Now, the all resistors will be same. All resistors will be same means. All resistors will be same means. Here, the potential 1 and 4 potential is R. IR by 3. V is equal to IR formula. IR by 3. Here also. The potentials at the points, at the corners, potential at the corner 6, 2, 6, 4 is same. Here. Next. At the 4, at the corner 4, the current I by 3 is divided equally. Current is divided equally. That means current will be divided into 2 parts. That's why I3 by 6, I by 6, I by 6. Here equally divided. Similarly at the 6th corner, I by 6, I by 6. Here at the second corner, it's a divided I by 6, I by 6. What we say? Potential at 2, 6, 4 must be a constant. because these. Now current will be divided at that junctions, at the corners. Second corner, current will be equally divided. Why? Equal resistance. Here also at 4 equally here. Next, what happened here? These currents at the 7, it's combined, then it's out. Here these current and these current at the junction is I by 3. These two currents, these and these combined here I by. You see that? Here I by 3 current here from 8 to 7, 8 to 3 I by 3, 8 to 5 I by 3. Here current will be same. Then resistors are also same. That's why the potential across these points will be same. That means the potentials across 3, 5, 7 are same. Now you observed clearly the remaining I by 6, 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 I by 6. These also all currents of these sides I by 6. Resistors also same. That's why these are the potentials across these corners will be same. You can draw that. First we can see that. First the current from where? A at this point. At A first corner. It's divided into 3. Here 3. That is what here 1, 2, 3. That is 1 to 4, 1 to 6, 1 to 2. These two are 2, 6, 4 of the potentials will be same because of V is equal to IR, I by 3 into R. That's why potential will be same, means these corners are joined at the same at a one point. Yes, that means 1 to 4, 1 to 6, 1 to 2. These sides will be parallel. Remaining. See, next. End point we can see B. At the end point B is 8. 8 also what I have? 1, 2, 3. That means first 8 to 5. 4, 6, 2. 8 to 5. Next 8 to 3. Next 8 to 7. That is 5, 3, 7. Now these are the same potential, similar 7. Yes. Now it's 4. Now first 4 to 5 connection. 4 here, 5 here. That's why the 4 connection what we are given here. 4 to 5. Yes. Okay. Next 4 to 3. Yes. 4 to 3. Here. Next 6 to 5. Yes, 6 to 5. Next 6 to 7. Next 2 to 3. 2 to 3. 7. You can see these all points joined here, these, because the potential at 4, 6, 2 have the same potential. 5, 3, 7 have the same potential. These sides are connected one point, these, the remaining here. These are, all resistors are equal. These 3 are in series. These 3 resistors are in parallel. Equal resistance are in parallel means, equal resistance or parallel means, n resistor are parallel connection, then R by n. That's why 3 resistor means R by 3. These are in parallel. That's why what? R by 6, because of 6 resistor. Here R by 2. Then you see that simple A here, B. This total cube we are simply modified like this. R by 3, R by 3, R by 6, R by 3. The equivalent resistance between A and B, simply R by 3 plus R by 6 plus R by 3. Take LCM here 6. Now that is 2R plus R plus 2R. Then it is R equivalent, that is 5R by 6. Yes, but you can see in the diagram how the finding. So very simple, logically. One, corners we are identified first, and the all resistors of the sides is equal. The current is divided equally. You can, remembering this, simply we can draw it. Okay, where the potentials of the ends will be same, that are in parallel. Now we are going to second problem, like a cube basin. So by using symmetrical rule, mirror symmetry and folding symmetry. See, now is a cube. This is the cube. Like that. Now the question will ask you, what is the potential equivalent resistance between A and B? Here in the face. Right? And before we are discussing diagonal of cube. Here the diagonal of a face of a cube, face diagonal. See, now it's a very important. You see that here we are given the connection of battery like these, plus minus. You see, very simple. Now here this is now corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, these corners. Now you see here, this is the cube. Then this cube, we want to the equivalent resistance between A and B. Then here, one plane in middle is exactly cutting here. That means here also. Exactly cutting. Exactly cut here. You see, it is exactly cutting means here exactly cutting. That means here these potential across these, potential across these two are in. It is a folding, exactly folding. Potential at these second corner and fourth corner will be same. Similarly, the potential at sixth corner and eighth corner will be same. Potential at sixth corner and eighth corner will be same. You see. Then these two are folded. These two are folded. These two are folded. These two are folded. What here? You see. These two are folded. Folding of these. Folding of these. When exactly, you see here. Exactly, it is the cube. It is the cube. The plane is exactly cut here. It is exact half. It is both are symmetrical. The symmetrical means of folding to this. Folded. That means at the sixth corner and eighth corner, second corner and fourth corner have the same potential difference. First to 1 to 2, 1 to 4, same potential. 5 to 6, 5 to 8, same potential. Similarly, you see that folding. Folding means what? We can modify this diagram very simple. You see, folding this here, here. It is the A. It is. Here we want to here B. Here B. It is A and B. What? These two are folding. These two are folding means R resistance. It is the R resistance. Folding means these two are in parallel. Parallel resistance what? Parallel resistance. Parallel resistance. R and R in parallel. That's why R by 2. That these two are joined. 8, 6. Now these two are in parallel. That's why it is also R by 2. Now these, there is no folding here. That's why these resistances are. Now here 2 and 4 are folded. 2 and 4 are joined to the point. That means here 2, 4. These are in these two are in parallel. These two are in parallel. That's why it is the R by 2. It is also R by 2. Now next here 6 and 2, 8 and 4. These two are in parallel because of joined. These two are joined. That's why it is what? R by 2. The problem is over. So very complicated diagram. Cube. We have simply modified like this. Very simply modified. See now find here R by 2, here R by 2. The folding are a mirror symmetry. Mirror symmetry means what is the current here? The same current. Here I, here I1, here I2. That is I2. I1, the same. That's why it is nothing. Then what do you write? These are in. Then modified it. This nothing. This is the R by 2, R series. Now R, it is R, over. Then what? A, B. The equivalent resistance. R equivalent is equal to. Then what is modified in here? R. This is the 3R. This is the R. Then what? 3R, R by 4R. Cancel. Because of these two are in parallel. Then what? 3R by 4. This is the equivalent resistance. Now going to third problem. See. That means the resistance between, question is, the resistance between any two adjacent corner, the equivalent resistance between any two adjacent corners, A, B, these are adjacent corners, are these two, any two adjacent corners. We want the resistance between A and B. Because of in cube, all sides have the resistance is R. All sides have resistance R. Okay. Now see how. Then first we can assume that this diagram we can turn like this. This diagram. This only, no? Cube. You turn this. See, here like this. This is a cube. Then we are AB. You can this point understand purpose. Diagram modified here. You turning these. You are turning these. Then it is getting the, because of all sides are equal. Then the diagram modified like this. See. Here AB, we want this. This modified AB, we want to this point. Now the exactly middle, they cut into exactly middle. Now third one. This is the cube. Now we are finding the potential across these two adjacent corners. Here only, adjacent corners. Then here all sides have a resistance R. All sides have the resistance is R. Now this is the given because of here R, here R, here R, here R, here R, 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 12 resistors, 12 sides, 8 corners, like this. Now we have modified this diagram very simply. We can draw like this, a cube we can again draw like this here. which is also cube, no? You see, this is also cube. So diagram is modified very little bit. Okay, just you can see that you turn this exactly, you turn this. We have got the same. Turn this. But what they asking means the equivalent resistance between any two adjacent corner here, whatever it is. Now let us assume a line is exactly cut the plane here. Exactly cutting here. You see here. Here potential, there, both the same. Here potential, here both the same. Here exactly fold these. Exactly fold. It's like a mirror, no? This and this side. This side what? Here the same, because of the symmetry. They folding here. They folding here. What? They folding here means these two are in parallel. 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 All parallel. And these two are in parallel. See, folding, exactly folding, like this. It is the what? A. It is the B. It is the A, B, this. Folding here. This. Folding. This folding here means here at A. This. This folding means R by 2. Here this folding means R by 2. Here over, because of these two are in same, no? This folding R by 2. Because it is R, both are in parallel. Folding means R by 2. Here R by 2. Next, here these folding, these two are from, these two are in a corners of these, both these. That's why this is the R by 2. This is R by 2. Now here it is both folding. R by 2. Here this folding R by 2. Now it is not folded. There is no anything. That's why it is a R. Now, so very simple. Just the diagram is modified like this. The cube, the resistance, equivalent resistance between any two adjacent corner of a cube, like this. Exactly cutting. These two are in parallel because of folding it. These two are in parallel. Similarly, these two are in parallel. These two are in parallel, like this. Modified. Now, finding of this. This is the resistance of. Now, these two are in what? These three are in series. R by 2, R by 2, R. That is the 2R. Then what the modification of this? B, A. Here R by 2. Here R by 2. But it is what? R by 2. These two are what we get given connection here. In between these, this is the 2R. These two are in parallel. In the parallel combination, what we can write? Parallel combination like this. R A, here B. In parallel combination R by 2, here R by 2. Then in parallel combination these two are in 2R R by 2 by 2R plus R by 2. That is 2R square by 2 by 5R by 2. 2 cancel, R cancel. Then 2R by 5. This is the 2R by 5. Then what about this? These are in series. The series means what? That means here in the series combination of these R by 2, R by 2, R plus 2R by 5. That is 7R by 5. But these two are in parallel. The equivalent resistance of RAB is equal to 7R by 5 into R by now 12R by 5. 5 cancel, R cancel. Then 7R by 12. This is the answer. So only to assume that where they are asking the question, how to modify the diagram? It's a folding. Because of the all resistance are equal means it is a symmetry. Now we are going to another problem. The last one, it is also very important. It is also three-dimensional. Not a cube. Now we are going to seventh problem like this. This is the shape of this. Now here what is the resistance between, effective resistance between A and B? Here like this. See, in this problem we want the A and B, all sides of resistance are equal. All sides have a resistance is R. All sides have resistance is R. Here. Then we want the resistance between A and B. That's why we can, it is exactly cut this, because the plane will be moving on. Plane will be exactly middle. That we can see in this side, in this side, in this side, in this side. Both sides exactly the mirror. That's why the potential at these point, the potential at these point will be same. Potential at these point and the potential at these point will be same. Potential at this point and potential at this point. Potential at this point and potential at this point will be same. Then we are joined together. Then it's a form like this. A, it is the B. Here the resistance is R. Here these two are in parallel. That's why it is the R by 2. These two are in parallel. That is R by 2. Here there is no current flow because of equal resistance, equal potential. That's why this unaffected. Then it is, these two are in parallel. That's why it is the R by 2. Then the potential in between A and B is, these are in a series. Then what do we simply, like R A here, B here. That is, this is the 3R by 2. That is, both are in parallel. That's why what do you write? R equivalent is equal to 3R by 2 into R by 3R by 2 plus R. Then 3r square by 2 by, now here 5r by 2, 2 cancel, r cancel, then what, 3r by 2. This is the combination of the resistors. It is by using a symmetrical method we can solve very easy. Okay, next we are going to very complicated concept of the problems we will discuss. Thank you.